Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. It's been a few weeks since we posted, probably a little over a month, maybe 2 months since we posted any content. We had a couple of things going on. You can see the GT500 in the background, the F250 here. We got the exhaust completed on the GT500. I'm gonna do a video on that tomorrow on the boiler exhaust and the melting of the rear diffuser. But today I want to show you the new Morimoto LED headlights for the 2020 and above F250s. So if you have the halogen lights, the lights out of Morimoto were delayed a few times on the NPI process. They finally got a pre-order a couple of months ago. We ordered, these came in on Wednesday, and I want to get the install done today, show you what the before and afters look like, and I hope you enjoy it. So if you're interested in purchasing these from, I bought mine from Retro Fit Source. So if you're interested in purchasing from them, you can actually see the before and after photos. And then I'll do a video tonight of the before halogen lights at night, high beam, low beam, and then I'll do the LEDs, high beam, low beam, with the LED fog lights that we also purchased. So these will be going on at the same time. So hope you enjoy it. Give me maybe an hour or two, we'll have it done, and then come back and show you the before and afters. All right, this is how they're packaged when they come in. They actually have a blue film over them to protect them. Come in. First, they come in with a main box, and then each of these are pre-packaged inside of that main box. I haven't opened the second one yet. Here's the LED fog lights that are going to go in. We have all of our tools ready to go, some zip ties, and then packaging, like I said, very well done. And this is what we're going to be installing it on here in just a few minutes. All right guys, so right before we take the headlights completely out, you got one screw here. This is what it looks like together. This is what it looks like when you're on the inside looking in. You have to take that completely apart. The top of this screw stud is 5 30-second socket and then a 10mm nut. Take that out, then this should come out. All right, on the 2020 and up, you have to take this, you have this grill here. You have to take this bottom chrome piece out. It's got 2 tabs in it right here. The instructions are going to tell you to use a screwdriver or a pick to go through here to push those tabs down, and then use a trim tool to pull it back. However, I found it much easier, if you guys can see this, if you take a screwdriver, I'll pull it back some, take a screwdriver and then just push the 2 tabs down on the top, and then you can take the trim tool and then just pop this chrome piece off. There's 2 10mm bolts, one on each side behind this, that you have to take off to pull the grill off. So hopefully it helps you out when you're going through this. I had a hard time getting the pick or the screwdriver in there, so I just found it easier to push a tab on top. All right, got the headlights out. Passenger side, not a problem. Driver's side, a little bit different story. I had to loosen the fender on the front. I think the bumper is probably maybe a little bit too high, or the fender's off. Certainly not the same setup as the passenger side. But nonetheless, we got it out. Now we're getting ready to put it back together. All right, we got everything installed, back together. Grill later on, but put it all back in for now. This is what it looks like. Not bad. All right, this is the 2020 F250 halogen stock lights on high beam and then low beam with the stock light showing. All right, we got the Morimoto XB LED headlights and fog lights installed. This is low beam here. You can clearly see the difference. Got to do a little bit of adjusting on the lights tomorrow, but low beam, and then there's your high beam. So clearly a huge difference. I'll show you the front of the truck here in a few minutes.